Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to reset an Infinix phone even if the power button is not working. If your Infinix is frozen, the power button is damaged, or you simply can't use it, don't worry. There are still ways to access the reset options. First, I'll show you how to open the reset settings directly from the phone. Then, we'll look at what to do if you can't use the power button normally. Before you continue, remember that a factory reset will erase personal data, apps, photos, and settings stored on the phone. So, if your device still works, make sure you back up anything important first.